We are displaying here a selective conformal coating line. It comprises 3 connecting conveyors of 500 mm each, 3-axis conformal coating machine from company called Prociss and 6-zone curing oven from EPS. To further define selective conformal coating machine, it has servo-based axis movement which runs on linear guide. It can accommodate PCB width as 50 to 450 mm and maximum length of PCB would be 450 mm. 500 mm or larger PCB size is also available on demand. Needle and spray valves are installed. Machine software helps in creating coating program with lot of ease. Machine has CCD camera for fiducial check. Once it finds the board in tolerance, loaded program runs for selective conformal coating automatically. Machine is equipped with 10-liter tank for coating material and 2-liter tank for thinner. Optionally cartridge system with fitting can also be provided. There is UV light to inspect the coating on board. Additionally, one normal light is provided for better lighting inside. These 2 lights can be operated using separate switches. Machine is supplied with PC and 19-inch display for operation and creating the coating program. Machine has 2 small cups, one for parking the head for soaking and another cup for purging. Safety door sensor is also installed. If door is opened, machine will take pause. Chain conveyor width can be adjusted manually. Motorized width adjustment is optional. Machine has SMEMA port for up and down stream. 8-inch diameter exhaust hose can be connected for fume release. In this conformal coating line, 6-zone IR oven from EPS is also supplied. Contact Mectronics at www.mectronics.in for more details. Thanks.